Where are we going, Em? You tell them.
So we are currently on our way to Wigan. Wigan? And we are going to the MiRider factory. We are taking our bikes in, and they are very kindly gonna upgrade our wheels. Yes? Is it?
Well, the tyres.
Tyres. What else are they doing?
Ooh, all sorts of fancy bits and bobs.
He thinks he's fancy. Look at him. He thinks he's fancy. He's not fancy. No, so they're going to be doing a few little upgrades on our bikes for us, which is very nice of them. And we're going to have a little look around the factory and see what goes on there, other than bike building.
We've arrived. There. Haven't we?
Yeah.
It was so far. It was,
Such an arduous journey.
it took us like what? 15 minutes?
Not long.
Not long at all.
No.
Northern. Local. Northern.
We like it.
British. Gonna get the bikes out the back and go in and see what's going on. There's a pair of bikes in there somewhere. Hidden. There's one. There we go. Twicycles.
Bicycles.
Right, that wasn't a faff, and I didn't lose me rag. No, never. I stayed calm. Anyway, let's take our bikes inside and see the lovely people at MiRider.
MiRider.
What?
MiRider.
Well, yeah, that's yours and that's MiRider. In there. We're going in there. You know when you wish you'd have waited to buy them? Because
of the camera.
look at that, that's just fancy as and she hasn't spotted that one.
No, I have.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. It's not got unicorns on there. You said there was one with unicorns on.
No, I never said there was one with unicorns at all.
Yeah, you did. You said there was a rainbow bike with unicorns on it.
That's rainbow.
There's not unicorns.
She does like that one now.
Just needs a unicorn on it.
Well, you sit on it, you be the unicorn.
You are.
Yay. But I love my unicorn.
Yeah.
Trying to pinch me, doesn't work. Right, so this is the latest version of the bike. It's just a few upgrades, but makes so much difference. There's a little bit of a better, well, the LCD screen is a lot better, like you can see. Also, the pedals, which Emma's fallen in love with. You like them, don't you?
I do.
Why do you like them?
Because they're easier.
They're easier. They are just literally click and lock, and that's it. It's the first one's not as easy as that, but still easy. But they are just absolutely brilliant as well. Also, you got a clear coat and fill. What for?
Protection from scuffs.
Scruffs, like me.
No, scuffs.
Oh, scuffs. Right, not from scruffs. I can still ride one, but
no.
Protection from scuffs. So, like people get done on the Teslas and expensive cars, the bikes have now got a protective film on them that keep it all scratch free, unlike ours, which Emma's destroyed.
Who's destroyed?
Me. Some of the accessories, like these bags, which are up there, the actual top of the bag, the actual lip, is made from recycled climbing rope. So recycling is a good thing, isn't it? We like recycling. It's good for the environment. And it kind of looks fancy as well, look at that. So, the nice folks at MiRider, is it MiRider or MiRider? It's MiRider. See, Emma's been right all along, it's just me being a thick idiot.
Yep.
As you can see, factory full setup. Every single bike is built by one person. One person builds your bike. So if you're going to be buying a bike, you know who it's built by, because there's a little sticker on there with the person's name, and they are solely responsible for building the bike from top to bottom. And
so if anything goes wrong, you know who to hunt down.
Yeah, so you don't want Emma building the bike. No. leave it to the professionals. Also, your bike comes with your very own pack with your name in it. They are literally the best electric assisted bike on the market right now. And like we said before, they are local, they're British, and you need to go no further. So these two babies are going in to get a little bit spruced up. So very soon they're going to look fantastic. We're back. We've been home and we're back. Why have we been home?
To sleep.
But what was the reason?
Because the tyres needed to be set.
The tyres needed to set, so we had to leave the bikes with them while the tyres set, and we said we'd come back the next night and pick the bikes up. So we're back. Let's have a look at these bikes. Every single station down there is where the bikes get built. Every single bike is built by an individual person, and the individual person puts their sticker name on the bike, so you know who's built your bike. And then they've also got a test track as well, and over there, which you can't show you, they're developing some other bikes, maybe bigger ones. She's zooming around somewhere. She can't help herself. We've literally just... There we go, look. There she is. These are the old tyres that were on the bikes. One problem that we did have with them was when we were going down like canal roads and stuff with a little bit of loose gravel, these were tending to be a bit slippy. But you've got to take into consideration that these are for roads. They're for commuting to work, they're going for on roads, on pavements. They're not for off-road. But the tyres that they've fitted, which are those ones, the big chunky boys, they are for more mud, gravel, off-road. Look at the smile.
I'm going for a ride.
Are you going to test these bikes? Oh, where she goes.
So much better, you know. The tyres.
So what do you like?
Less bumpy.
It's less bumpy.
Less bumpy.
Less bumpy. And what else have they done on the bikes?
And they have tightened up this for us because they were loose, and they've given them a bit of clean where they could, because mine's a bit damaged and knackered. And then we've got the new magnet fitting. And look what else they've done. They tidied the cables. You know what I was asking you to do for absolutely ages for me.
So the bikes have had a full service while you've been in here. The guys have been absolutely diamonds, which, to be honest, you go in the factory and you speak to anybody in the MiRider factory.
They're so nice.
There's a vehicle reversing. Yeah, everybody that works there is just dead chatty, dead nice, just normal, northern. That's all I can say. Northern. Proper northern. British northern. Can't beat it. Right, let's get these bikes in the boot. Now, the new magnets, let's test them. They're a lot more magnety. Right, there's one bike. second one in the boot.
Ta-da!
Will the boot close? Perfection. Tiny little car, tiny little bikes.
All set.
So, you happy?
I'm very happy.
Very happy. So the guys at MiRider have done us an absolute solid. They've refurbished the bikes, they've put new tyres on, new magnets, and it just
tightened all the front up as well, the wires, haven't they?
Yeah, had a full service, even put new brake cables on them, tightened up all the brakes. They've done an absolute brilliant job. How many? 80?
Yeah, about 80 suppliers now.
Yeah, there's
across
about
the
80
country.
suppliers across the country. They've grown massively over the last couple of years, which is great because they are a brilliant product, and for the price of them, you can't buy better.
No.
You can't. We've looked at so many bikes, haven't we?
Yeah, loads.
So many bikes, and you can't buy better. Everyone that works there is an absolute lovely person. So yeah, go buy one. Right, we're going. Say goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Go on your bike.
You can't. You put it in the boot.
True story.
Come on.